Hello everyone. Okay, in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel subscription on PayPal in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do guys, before going to PayPal website, if you guys, currently subscribing on a specific application or software and you don't, actually you no longer need the application, also the software, and you wanted to cancel it, and you want to stop your subscription, then this video is for you. Okay, so you need to go to your PayPal. Okay, and you need to log in your account, and after that guys, you need to go to settings. Okay, and go to payments guys at the top. Okay, and you will see here online purchases and also the automatic payments. You just have to click this automatic payments, and if you guys currently subscribing to any apps and software, those apps guys, it will show up in here, and you just have to click that one. And after clicking those application or software guys, you just have to click cancel these the automatic payments and also the subscriptions. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.